Hi, I'm Glenn Evans. I'm the head of food for Las Iguanas, and today I'm going to show you our chimichurri. Chimichurri is an Argentinian sauce accompaniment. So in our chimichurri, we put some fresh coriander, fresh parsley, some oil, lemon juice, white wine vinegar, oregano, salt, garlic and chili. So a really good level of spice, citrus, salt in there. So on a daily basis we make over 30 sauces and salsas from scratch. I'm going to add in half of the roughly chopped herbs into the blender along with the oils, the vinegars, the salt and the garlic. A quick blitz just to combine the herbs, and then we're going to add the rest of the herbs. We don't want to make it a puree, we don't want to make it too rough, but the idea is that you can see the split between the oil and the herbs, which makes it a very traditional chimichurri. So, and to finish off our chimichurri, we add in some dried chili for a good spice and some dried oregano. Now, at the moment it looks nice and creamy. That will naturally separate, but the best time to taste this is now. So we're looking firstly for that really good, robust, fresh herb flavour of coriander, parsley, and a touch of oregano at the background, and a little bit of heat from the chili, some salt coming through there, and a nice acidity. Now we're ready to serve this with a perfectly cooked steak. And there we have it, our famous Argentinian chimichurri. Now if you enjoy cooking from scratch, then click on the link and join us at Las Iguanas.